Hi friends. Today we are making a healthy side dish for lunch. Tender jackfruit stir fry or Idichakka Thoran. Jackfruits are a rich source of different proteins, for example vitamin C, potassium etc., and dietary fiber. So let's start. So, if you are watching our videos for the first time and love our video, please subscribe our channel, like and share it. This channel is part of a blog which collect and preserve traditional recipes for next generation. So each like, share, you are giving will definitely support us. First we have to remove the rinds of the jackfruit. Next we will cut them into small discs and again cut them to small pieces. We will remove the core also. Next we will wash it well and cook it. We will cook it in water with enough salt and turmeric powder. See, jackfruit pieces are cooked enough, and there is no water left. Now we will crush it well. You can either use traditional pestle and mortar or use a mixer grinder for this purpose. Okay, crush it and keep it aside. Jackfruit is considered as a healthy fruit. Even raw it tasty. The jackfruit seeds helps to reduce the level of low-density lipoprotein cholesterol or LDL level. So it reduces the risk of heart failure and strokes. Jackfruit contain good amount of potassium. It helps to reduce blood pressure. Jackfruit contains phytochemicals which help to reduce the risk of cancer. Raw jackfruit have low glycemic index, so it's safe to diabetes patients. It also contain vitamin C, which helps to strengthen our body immunity. And the presence of rich nature-soluble fiber help to reduce the absorption of carbohydrates to our body. If you are of vegan, jackfruit can be used as a substitute of meat. We will prepare coconut masala now. Nothing much, we will mix turmeric powder and chili powder with grated coconut. We will keep it aside. So it's the time for final mixing. Heat a teaspoon oil in a pan. Add mustard seeds and let's wait till it starts to spurts. When it starts to spurts, add a red dal or mungo bean to it. Saute it for some time till it starts to change color. Add dry red chillies and curry leaves. Saute it for some time. Next, add coconut masala and mix well. Finally, add crushed jackfruit and combine everything well. Let's cook hot for some time. No need to cook more because jackfruit is already cooked. So our tender jackfruit stir fry is ready. It's vegan and healthy too. If you love this video, don't forget to like and share it. We will meet in our next video. Thank you.